This video presentation will document the process involved in installing a hole punch in the inner finisher unit. Information on how to unpack the inner finisher is available in the inner finisher assembly video.
We will open the front of the inner finisher. Pull this lever, this will pop out. And then we need to remove this black sticky cover. Save a piece of blue tape so you can put on the lever in the front. We need to remove the little C-clip and the black washer.
Retain these two parts. You will need to reinstall them.
Once the C-clip and washer is removed, go ahead and remove your blue tape. Close everything back up and move on to the back of the inner finisher. Start by removing the 3 screws off the back panel of the inner finisher. Once you have removed the 3 screws, you will have 2 clips that are just under this top lip on this panel. So you want to just slightly get those to pop out. Now you're going to feel some resistance on this. These are the 2 tabs that you are fighting to get off. On the right side of the back of the inner finisher, there's going to be a little pin, and then you're going to have a little C-clip identical to the one removed in the front. Go ahead and remove the C-clip. Slide the pin out. Unplug the one connector. Once connection is back in the back is off, go ahead and open the front. Push the little green tab. This will slide out, and go ahead and remove. The new inner hole puncher looks very similar to the piece that you just removed. You will have an extra plug on the back side of this.
Attach the hole punch to the front of the finisher in place of the assembly that you just discarded. Make certain after attaching the punch that you close the doors.
Start by plugging in your 2 connectors. Reinstall the pin and the C-clip that we removed previously. Go ahead and slide the pin all the way in. And reinstall the C-clip. Reinstall the rear panel and reattach your 3 screws. Once the back is completed, move back around to the front. Go ahead and open it back up. And we will need to reinstall the washer and the C-clip. Once you have your C-clip and washer reinstalled, go ahead and install your new little black cover that is found in the hole punch catch tray. Once you have your little black cover installed, go ahead and right below it, pop this little cover and remove. That way we can install the catch tray. Just slides in place.
Once the catch tray is installed, close the unit and the installation is finished.